How to find community chats on Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to find community chats on your Messenger app. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into it. Open up Facebook Messenger application on your device. Now, if you have joined any community, you should be able to find it on your menu section. So you just basically have to tap on menu at the bottom right. And then right under friend request, you'll have channel invitations. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And you could easily join this channel. Tap on join. And as you can see here, I've joined a community chat. Now, all you have to do is just go back to your chat section. Most of these community chats will be on your inbox, but if you don't see it, tap on menu. And then under communities, you can tap on create community if you don't have one, and you could join one as well. So if you have joined any Facebook groups or community, their chat will appear here as well. I can tap on get started, and I can easily create a new community as well for myself. So this section here is basically where you find all of your community chats on Messenger. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.